Welcome to DumpStars Indiana, your premier destination for reliable dumpster rental services throughout Indiana. As a trusted provider of efficient waste management solutions, we cater to residential, commercial, and construction needs. Our main goal is to make the disposal process seamless and hassle-free, allowing you to focus on what matters most. At DumpStars Indiana, we offer a wide range of dumpsters suited for projects of all sizes. Whether you're renovating your home, managing a construction site, or tackling a large-scale commercial project, our diverse range of dumpsters ensures you have the perfect container for your needs. We pride ourselves on prompt and professional services, and our experienced team is ready to assist you in selecting the ideal dumpster size for your unique requirements, providing you with a hassle-free waste disposal experience. What sets DumpStars Indiana apart is not just the quality of our dumpsters but our commitment to customer satisfaction. Clean, well-maintained containers, prompt deliveries, and competitive pricing are the hallmarks of our service. Trust DumpStars Indiana to be your reliable partner in waste management, ensuring a smooth and efficient dumpster rental experience throughout Indiana. We are proud to contribute to the cleanliness and orderliness of communities across the state. To experience top-notch dumpster rental services that align with the unique needs of Indiana, choose DumpStars Indiana today. Call us at 765-419-7884 or visit www.dumpstarsindiana.com category Dumpsters. DumpStars Indiana is where excellence in waste management meets the heart of Indiana.